Today's topic is reorder level. Now, this is a very important part when it comes to material accounting. This is the level of materials at which the new order of supply of material is to be placed. That is, there is some point of time when we feel like there is a requirement to place fresh orders. So, this is what is the reorder level. But what will be the level at which, or when is the right time to place the new order? That is important, and for that we find out reorder level. Now this reorder level is somewhere between the maximum and the minimum level of inventories. Now the order point is reached. When do we realize that we have reached that order point? That is the reorder level. That is reached when the inventory on hand, that is the stock in hand, and the quantities that are due, they are equal to the lead time usage quantity plus the safety stock quantity. Now we'll know what these two things mean, the lead time and the safety stock. By lead time, we mean that it is the sum of the time required to place a replenishment, that is fresh order, and for the supplier to deliver the order. We take a certain amount of time to place a new order because we have to see what we need to place order for. So that takes a bit of time. So that is what is the replenishment order time, and the supplier also takes a certain time to understand what he has to deliver. So this is the supplier to deliver the order good. So this is the time that is taken by the supplier. If we add both of them, that is what we call lead time. The formula is simple, that is order delivery date minus the order request date. The second term that we had come across was the safety stock. It is the excess quantity that acts as a buffer between the forecasted and the actual demand. Now, what is a forecasted level? Forecasted level is something, an assumption. On the basis of an assumption, if we have decided that these much of quantity of a particular inventory will be required. So that is our forecasted level. And actual demand is actually what arises, actually the level that is required. So the difference between them, that is known as the safety stock. We always keep certain safety stock. It's just like whenever we are driving a car, we make sure that there is a indicator that tells us that this is the point we have reached. After that, it is high time that we should be replenishing the petrol or diesel, whatever we are using. So it's that. Its formula is the maximum daily usage of product and the maximum lead time, and that is to be subtracted by average daily usage of the product and the average lead time of the product. That is, in simple words, we have to find the difference between the maximum daily usage and lead time minus the average usage of the product and the lead time. Now, using these formulas and understanding these terms, we come across the main thing that we were talking about, that is the reorder level. Now, the reorder level, the formula for reorder level is ordering point, or the reorder level is maximum daily or the weekly or monthly, depends upon what kind of systems we are following, into the lead time. Or at some point of time, we can also use this formula, that lead time plus safety, that is the safety stock. Using these formulas, we are going to solve some simple problems. So this is the first problem that we have. See, there are certain things that are given to us, that is the minimum daily requirement, that is 800 units. Time required to receive emergency supplies is 4 days, and minimum daily requirement is 600, and time required for refresh supplies 1 month, that is 30 days. So we have to calculate the reorder level. Now, in order to do this, first we have to write the formula for reorder level. So two things are required, that is, the reorder level will be, we know, given two informations we have to find out. First is the maximum daily, weekly or monthly, whatever demands that we have. So the maximum usage, daily, monthly, In this question, you can see daily requirements are given. So we can say maximum daily usage. So maximum daily usage, and that is given. Minimum daily usage. Minimum daily usage is given. That is 800 units. So we are going to write 800 units here. And we have to find out what is our lead time. So lead time, you can see it's not given, but you have to understand. See, the time required to receive emergency supplies. And next is time required for refresh supplies. So that is why the time required for refresh supply, that is what is lead time. So lead time will be lead time is equal to 30 days. Now if you apply the formula of the ordering point, so you have to find the ordering point. Therefore, ordering point will be the product of these two things. Ordering point equals to, this will be this 800 unit, that is our minimum daily usage, and the lead time of 30 days. So 800 into 30, the answer will be in units because we are trying to find out the level. So 8 into 3, 24, and triple 0. So 24,000 units is the answer. Now we come across a similar sum with some more informations and a bit more complication, that is problem 2. Now there are two types of materials that are used, and that is material A and material B, and their minimum usage and maximum usage and normal usage is given. Now we have to find out the reorder point or the lead time are also given, that is 3 to 5 weeks and 2 to 4 weeks for material A and B respectively. Now first of all we have to calculate the reorder point. So first we have to find the reorder point. For finding out the reorder point, you have to use the formula. The reorder point, the formula, there are two type of materials, that is A and B, so we have to find it separately. For A, you see, we have to find out as per the formula the normal usage. See, the normal usage we are going to take into consideration, that was 60 units per week, and over here we are taking weekly. Okay, the maximum daily or the normal usage, weekly usage. So for A it is 60 units per week. For A and B both, because it's not mentioned here, so we'll take it for both 60 and 60. Now we're going to multiply it with the lead time. See, here it is material A. For material A it is 3 to 5 weeks, so we'll take the maximum one, that is 5 weeks. And here there is 2 to 4 weeks, so we'll take 4, which is the maximum. So for A it is 5 and for B it is 4. Multiply, this becomes 300 units. This becomes 16 to 4 to 40 units.